Now, in previous lecture, actually we had started the decimal part. Actually, from the chapter fractions and decimals, we had started the remaining part, which is decimals. Already we have considered about the fractions, and again in case of decimals, actually we have considered some examples from question number 1, in which we have to compare those fractions. That means which fraction is going, sorry, which decimal is going to be greater, and those decimal numbers we have compared in the previous question, that is question number 1. So in order to compare the decimal points or decimal numbers, actually we had considered two sections. The first one is integral part and second one is decimal part. So that is very important, integral part and decimal part, that we have considered. The integral part is actually present on the left hand side. It is actually present on the left hand side of the decimal point, and the decimal part is present on the right hand side of the decimal point. That already we have seen in the last year also, and in the question number first also. Now we are going to consider the question number 2nd, which is like this: express as rupees using decimals. So actually we have to convert those currency. Actually here rupee is a currency of India, and we all know that the lowest currency in the India is paisa. That means we are saying that 1 paisa, 2 paisa, like this. So we know that rupees can be converted into paisa, or paisa can be converted into rupees. So those two currencies we are using in India. Now here, before starting the example, we have to consider what we have to do in this question. So here we have to convert these rupees into paise, or paise into rupees, like this. So for that purpose, we should know these general values. Actually, these are the general values which are defined by the government of India, which is unchangeable, or it is constant. That means you cannot say like this: 200 paise is equals to 1 rupee. You are not going to say like this. So always this thing will be same. That means always 100 paisa or 100 paise is going to be rupee 1. So this is the conversion actually. So if I say you have 1 rupee, then you can say that I had a 100 paise, or you can also say that 100 paise means rupees 1. So in this way, that conversion should be necessary. This conversion should be necessary. Now, if you want to calculate the value of 1 paisa, if you want to calculate the value of 1 paisa in rupees, that means the value of 1 paise in rupees, then we can also calculate that value by using the same relation, which is 100 paise is equals to rupees 1. Now, for that purpose, we have to just transfer this 100 to other side. We are going to just transfer this 100 to other side, and then we are going to get the value of 1 paisa. So after transferring that 100, initially that 100 is at multiplication. So after transferring to right hand side, it goes to denominator, and therefore we can write down the value of 1 paisa like this: rupees 1 upon 100. RE 1 upon 100. RE means rupees. It is a singular form, 1 rupaya. So that's why it is referred as a RE. And if it is greater than 1, then you can say RS. That means multiple. So 2 rupees, like that. So here value of 1 paisa is going to be 1 upon 100 rupees, 1 upon 100. And if we perform the division of this 1 upon 100, then we can take that value like this: 0 0.01. 0 0.01. Now here, if we are going to divide by 10, 100, then 1000, like these different numbers are there in the tens multiple. So 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. So here, while dividing by 10, 100 or 1000, you have to remember one thing. You have to just shift the decimal point to the left side. You have to just shift that decimal point to the left side by those number of digits. That means how many digits should be shifted. So you have to see how many zeros are there, and you have to shift those number of digits to the left side. So here in 100, two zeros are there. So we have shifted two digits. So see, 1, 0. So two digits are shifted. So therefore the answer is came 0.01. So you can say that 1 paisa is equals to rupees 0.01. So that is the conversion, and this conversion we are going to use in the example which are in question number 2. Now we will see the first example, how to convert that 7 paise into rupees. Now here we have to convert this 7 paise into rupees by using the conversion which is given upside. Now here, first of all, you have to convert, or you have to put the value of paisa. We have calculated the value of 1 paisa, which is RE 1 upon 100 or RE 0.01. So you have to just put that value in the given question, and then you are going to convert that paise into rupees. Now, in order to convert this 7 paise into rupees, we have to keep that 7 as it is. So this 7 is going to be as it is, and then remaining part is going to be converted into rupees. So here, after removing the 7, 1 is the remainder. So that 1 paisa is converted into rupees like this, 1 upon 100. So we have to multiply by that value of 1 paisa to the whole number 7. So therefore we getting like this, RE7 RE7 or RS7 into value of 1 paisa, which is 1 upon 100. Now you can put another form so that RE7 is going to be remain as it is. And instead of 1 upon 100, you can put 0.01. We have to just put the value which is given upside. We have just put it the value which is given upside. That means conversion of 1 paisa into rupees. That value only we have substituted. So therefore, final answer will be 0.07, because you have to multiply by 7 to the given value 0.01. So you know that 7 ones are 7, then 700, decimal point as it is, then again 700. So therefore, final answer is 0.07, which is the conversion of paisa into rupees. In this way, we can convert paise into rupees. Now, this is the first example. Now, if we consider the second example, now which is little bit higher order example. So here, the next example is 7 rupees and 7 paise. So that means here already rupees are given, and along with that rupees, some paise are given. So here now the task is that you have to just convert this paise into rupees, and whatever that value is coming, you have to add that value into this 7 rupees. Now different steps are there. Initially only paise is there, rupees are not there. But here rupees as well as paise is there. So you have to convert first of all these paise into rupees, and then you have to add that rupees into 7 rupees. So therefore the conversion will be like this. 7 rupees, 7 paise can be converted like this. This 7 rupees is going to remain as it is. So we can write it like this. RS7 plus we have to convert this 7 paise into rupees. So we have just seen in the previous example, same type of conversion is there. So 7 rupees into value of 1 paisa is 1 upon 100. So we have just kept that value which is given in the conditions. So 1 upon 100 we have kept. Now instead of 1 upon 100, you can also put 0.01. Instead of 1 upon 100, you can also put 0.01. So now just perform the multiplication. 7 into 0.01, that is going to be 0.07. 0.07. Now both the terms are actually in the same unit. That means both are in rupees. 7 as well as 0.07. They are in rupees. So now you have to just add these two numbers. You have to just add these two numbers. And after adding these two numbers, we are getting final answer like this. RS 7.07. RS 7.07, which is the final answer for the conversion, 7 rupees 7 paise. So in this way we have converted this 7 rupees 7 paise into rupees, like 7.07. Now we will see another example. Now here again little bit higher order question is there. That means the value is increased now. The value is increased. Again, we have to perform the same methods. Again, two units are there, rupees and paise. So that rupees are going to be remain as it is. So we have to convert this paise into rupees, and then we have to add those rupees into 77 rupees. So same method which we have followed in the question number 2. Now again we are going to see the conversion, how we are going to convert it. So here RS 77 is going to remain as it is. RS 77 is going to remain as it is. And we have to convert 77 paise into rupees. So that's why we have to multiply that 77 by the value of 1 paisa, which is 1 upon 100, which is given in our starting condition. 1 paisa is equals to 1 upon 100. So we have to just multiply by that value. Now you can also put 0.01 instead of 1 upon 100. Instead of 1 upon 100, you can also put the value 0.01. So the final equation is now like this. RS 77 plus RE 77 into 0.01. 0.01. Now just multiply that 0.01 with the help of 77. So you can say the 77 stable, because we have to take only one value. So we all know that 77 ones are 77. So remainder came 7. Then 77 0 0. That 7 is added. And after multiplying with the help of 77, we are getting the answer like this, 0.77. 0.77. Now just add these two values, 77 plus 0.77. After adding those values, we are getting rupees 77.77, which is the conversion of paise into rupees. Because our question is like this, express as rupees. Express as rupees. So we have to convert paise into rupees, and we have to obtain the final answer in terms of rupees or in terms of RS. You can also write down the symbol RS or RE. Now in the question number 4, only 50 paise is given. Only 50 paise is given. That means rupees are not given along with the paise. So you have to only use the paise value, and then you have to convert that paise into rupees. That means there is no need to add rupees into that paise, because only 50 paise are given. So again, the conversion is similar. 50 paise should be converted into rupees. So therefore we have to multiply this 50 paise with the help of value of 1 paisa. So that is 1 upon 100. That value is 1 upon 100. So therefore we are going to multiply this 50 paise with the value of 1 paisa, that is 1 upon 100. So it is converted like this. RE 50, that 50 is going to remain as it is, into value of 1 paisa is 1 upon 100. You can also put down the value of 1 upon 100 like this, 0.01. Any value you can use, either 1 upon 100 or 0.01. Any value you can use. So here I think 0.01 is easier as compared to 1 upon 100, because you can directly perform the multiplication with the help of 0.01 because it is a decimal. Now just perform the multiplication. 50 into 1, 50 into 1 is going to be 50. Then 5 is going to be remainder. Then 50 into 0, that will be 0. And that remainder is added, so which is 5. So you get the answer 0.50. What will be the answer now? RE or rupees 0.50 is the final answer for the 50 paise. So in this way we can convert into rupees. And last one is 235 paise. 235 paise. Again we have to convert. Again we have to convert this paise into rupees. Now similar conversion is there. Multiply this 235 rupees to 235 with the help of value of 1 paisa, which is 1 upon 100. So therefore we getting the next step like this. RE 235 into 1 upon 100. Again we can replace this value 1 upon 100 with the value 0.01. So we are getting RE 235 into 0.01. And now here you have to perform the multiplication. You have to perform the multiplication. Now while performing this uh, multiplication, you have to carry those remainder as it is. So see, 235 into 1, 235. So you have to write down 5. Then 23 will be the remainder. Then again 2 will be carry forward. So in this way, the final answer is going to be RS or RE 2.35, because those remainders are carry forwarded. First we are going to write down 5, then 3, then 2. So in this way, the final answer is RS 2.35 is the final answer for the question number 5 from the question number 2nd. So in this way we can convert the paise into rupees. In this way we can convert these paise into rupees.